Hello guys, good morning. Today is my last day in Miami, so I'm enjoying my morning walk with my coffee, and then I have a plane to catch in like 3 hours, and I'm going to New York. Good morning guys, I landed in New York last night around like 10 p.m. and right now we're in the Lower Manhattan. This is our Airbnb, which I really like. Actually, this is my first time living in those kind of apartment. It's like a loft, Tribeca loft style. The ceiling are so tall, so huge, a lot of space for Manhattan. It's actually pretty nice. And you know what's interesting? That in this building they have only one apartment per floor, and wow, it's a walk up. I will show you the stairs. It's like so steep. I was like, oh my god, how I'm gonna carry my luggage, but Jacob helped me obviously. So we're on a fourth floor, I believe, and basically our apartment facing both sides, like the opposite sides of the building, because the building is so skinny and small. So basically your apartment, the only one on the floor, and you have all the view to yourself. It's pretty cool. I also like the design. I'm gonna show you a quick room tour of this apartment, and about in 30 minutes we're actually gonna go see another apartment in another building in downtown, which we're hoping we're gonna love, and ended up signing the lease today. So this is my home for another month. We rented this Airbnb for 30 days because even if we sign the lease, our lease will not start until the May 1st. I'm super excited. I'm gonna take you with me on this apartment hunt. I am all ready. I'm wearing Jackie Moose t-shirt, which I loved so much. I bought it in Dubai. The jeans from Zara, and I bought it in Spain. Yeah, every time I travel, I try to shop abroad because, you know, saving some money. We have a graveyard under the window. That's really funny. Looks old though. Typical New York style. The bedroom is pretty spacious. We're thinking about putting the desk up here. We have a queen size bed and another very big closet, which is super cool. And I like that the living room and the bedroom separated by kitchen and bathroom, so we have like more space because we both work from home. We both need some space and two desks. Right now we have only one. I just came back from my photo shoot. It was amazing. 2-hour shoot. We shot in Chelsea Hotel. It's like iconic hotel. It's really pretty. We shot on staircase, on the balcony with a view. In the bathroom, it's like vintage style hotel, vintage style bathroom inside the room. It was amazing. We changed few outfits. It was so cool. It's her birthday shoot, so she also said she's engaged and they planning to do a wedding at this hotel, the celebration and stuff. They have a nice venue there, so she showed me around. It was really pretty. I'm excited. So basically I landed last night and today I'm already full into my workflow. It's fresh and new. New York feels so cool after being away for like 4.5 months, so I'm super excited. This morning basically we went to see the apartment right after we signed the lease. Right after I went to do my photo shoot, and now I'm back home. I bought some groceries. I went to a Chinese food market and I bought some fresh fish, which I'm obsessed with fish, with seafood. I bought some seafood as well. And I think we're planning on going to IKEA because I really like heavy blankets, and we still need pillows and blankets and stuff like that, because right after this lease is up, we're gonna go back to our empty apartment, completely empty, which I'm super happy with, because before we were always living in a furnished apartment, and I can't wait to decorate my own place. And yeah, we would need a blanket, so I want to go right now and buy the blanket. Also, I was hoping that we're gonna stop by B&H store and buy me a new on-camera flash, because I think I deserve it. Oh my gosh, they have the same seat. Doing some lunch.
Let's put this to the better one, Wagyu beef. Japanese Wagyu. In Japan, they actually can have Wagyu beef. It's real.
Really? So it's lunchtime, we went to see an apartment. We're probably gonna set the lease today, which is super exciting. And after 1 month and expired in our Airbnb, we're gonna move to this apartment. I can't wait to furnish it. Right now we are having lunch. And after that, I'm gonna run to my photo shoot. My morning coffee, I'm exploring my neighborhood and new coffee shops. You see those glasses? They're so cool. It's like the Ray-Ban Meta, so it has the camera here and the flashlight there. So when you're recording, it's actually like tells people by flashing that you're recording. And I've been obsessed with them because I can like call my mom or somebody, speak through my glasses. I can listen to music or voice messages, and it's also recording perfectly and taking pictures, videos. So whatever I'm shooting, I record backstage behind the scenes with them, and it's been so amazing. My clients also happy to receive all those videos from the shoot. You guys, I thought I actually skipped winter entirely in Miami, but apparently not. I'm still wearing my fur coat and it's quite cold. Even today is like 50 degrees. I'm going to my favorite restaurant. If I could pick only one place where I can eat the entire city, that would be that place. Hey guys, good morning. It's officially raining today. You see I'm wearing my really puffy warm jacket because it's really cold. I was hoping it's already summertime, okay, springtime. I'm officially starting looking for furniture. We have a month to look for good furniture for our new apartment. So today is Saturday morning, really rainy day, and we are going to get some breakfast first in the Russian restaurant, and then I'm gonna go and look for furniture and scout a few furniture stores. Hopefully I'll find something good. This is a cute place right on the first floor of my building. I'm so in love with this building. Unfortunately, we're here only for 1 month, but still. First things first, after I arrived to New York, I'm coming to my hairdresser. He's the best. He does all the treatments for my hair. We've been here already for 2 hours and there is probably another 40 minutes to go. It's like multiple steps for my hair treatment. He always does my hair color, hair touch, all of the things, and he's the best, literally, in New York. It's actually prettier than I thought. You guys, I just got done with my photo shoot. Look at this pretty building, Remy view. It was crazy, it was raining a lot, but we still did it. It's actually my first time was shooting in the rain, but it was so romantic and cool. Stop by to check on our apartment, measure some stuff so we can buy a sofa or the bed, and see if everything works properly. Yeah. Empire State Building.
We're very happy to have you here. Thank you. Welcome to One World Observatory.
That was a morning yoga class, guys. That was so amazing. It's 102nd floor of the One World Trade Center, and it's so nice. It was like an hour. We got some coupons, and it's really a good start for the Saturday. Need nachos. Hey guys, we just arrived at West Elm Outlet. I honestly didn't even know it exists here in Brooklyn. It's like 15 minutes drive from Manhattan. So I decided right after yoga to go see West Elm and CB2 Outlet, and hopefully we'll find something. I know there is other stores around here as well, also outlets, so fingers crossed. Our car parked.
And dirty. The dirty car.
And dirty.
It needs a wash.
Yeah, our apartment was right there. I'm drinking my coffee. Official home key.
It felt, but it was very soft fall.
We did it again. We're moving back to the same building. What's up, guys? We finally made it. This is the empty apartment tour. I'm so happy. I have another room tour of the same building but different apartment, and the reason we moved is because the another apartment was furnished and I really want to furnish it myself. So I can't believe it, but we are here. It's absolutely empty. The light is great. It's 5 p.m. right now. The sun is still out. It's super nice. Has corner unit, corner living room. Everything so spacious, so empty. I just can't believe that it's so empty. I'm so happy. We have washer dryer obviously in the unit, which is absolute must, and the bedroom is also corner unit bedroom with a view of the Wall Street. On one side is absolutely gorgeous, and the view of World Trade Center on the other side, and even a little bit of Empire State Building right there. I'm so happy and I can't wait to furnish this apartment.
I want to return it.
Unboxing. Mattress unboxing. Need to start unboxing like right now. Look what I have. Cute toaster and cute rice cooker. Bunch of other stuff. Some dishes, blender. This is the bathroom. You can see Empire right there and the World Trade Center right here. First night in the apartment.